Hi, good morning everybody.
Today I am going to explain the concept of least common multiple in the chapter 3 playing with numbers. Before going to learn least common multiple, first we have to understand what is LCM. Now LCM means least common multiple. That means we have to find multiples. Later we have to find common multiples. In common multiples, what is the least one? This is the meaning of LCM. Now we are going to learn what is multiple. Multiples of a number is obtained by multiplying the number with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on. మల్టిపుల్స్ ఎలా వస్తాయి? ఏ నెంబర్కి అయితే మల్టిపుల్ కావాలో ఆ నెంబర్కి 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 అన్నిటినీ కూడా మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే వస్తాయి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, write multiples of 2. Write multiples of 2. Answer. First, multiple of 2 means it is obtained 2 into 1, 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. Now, and so on. Therefore, multiples of 2 are the results. These are the results. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. Now, similarly, now we are going to find multiples of 7. Multiples of 7. Multiples of 7 means 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35 and so on. Therefore, multiples of 7 are 7, 14, 28, 35, 42 and so on. Now, practice questions. Write multiples of the following numbers: 3, 4, 5, 12 and 17. Children, complete notebook, pause the video and write down now. Now we will move to what are common multiples. Example 3. Write common multiples of 3, 4. Answer. First we have to write multiples of 3. They are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Next we have to write multiples of 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. Now what is our aim? Find out multiples, common multiples. So here observe, in these two multiples, 12 is common, 24 is common. Now write down what are the common multiples of 3, 4?
12, 24.
And so on. That means if we extend these numbers, we will find another numbers also. Next, coming to the least common multiple. Write LCM of 8, 4. So according to this, first of all, we have to write multiples. Later we are finding common ones. Next one, we are finding in those common ones least one. First, multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48 and so on. Next, multiples of 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36 and so on. Now, what are the common multiples? Here 8 is common, 16 common, 24 common, 32 common and so on. Now write down those common ones: 8, 16, 24, 32, and so on. Now in these common ones, what is the least one? What is the least one? 8. So 8. LCM of 8, 4 is 8. That is our answer. Now, how to find LCM of 3 numbers? Here, example, find LCM of 3, 5 and 6. For that answer, first we have to write multiples of 3, next multiples of 5 and next multiples of 6, and identify common multiples of all the 3 numbers. For example, in the multiples of 3 and multiples of 5, here 15 is common but not in the 6th multiple. Next, in comparing in 3 and 6, 6 is the common, 12 is the common, but those numbers not in the multiples of 5. Therefore, here common multiples mean the number should be in all the multiples of the numbers. So here common multiples of 3, 5, 6 is only we have 30 in these numbers. So now least common multiples of 3, 5, 6 is 30. After that, try this. Find LCM of 10, 11, 5, 6, 7, 10, 30, 4, 12, 24, 3, 12. Now we are moving to find LCM of numbers by prime factorization method. First of all, why we need to find the LCM of those numbers by using the prime factorization method? Because in general method of finding the LCM, for bigger numbers it is difficult to find the multiples of bigger numbers. So by using this prime factorization method, we can find LCM of any numbers by using in a simple way. Now example, find LCM of 36 and 60 by prime factorization method. Step 1. Express each number as a product of prime factors. Consider 36. To write prime factors, divide using prime numbers. 36. 2 18s are 36, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9. Now we will write these 36 as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Similarly, we find prime factors of 60, 2 30s, 2 15s and 3 5s, and write down 60 as 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Step 2. Take the common factors of both numbers. What are the common factors? 2, 2, 3. So 2 into 2 into 3. Step 3. Take extra factors of both. What are the extra factors? In the 36, 3 is extra. In the 60, 5 is extra. So consider those two numbers also. Now coming to the fourth step. LCM of 36 and 60 is the product of all common prime factors. So in the above, common prime factors are 2 into 2 into 3 and extra prime factors of both. In the above, extra prime factors are 3 and 5. Now LCM of these 36 and 60 is obtained. The product of all common prime factors and extra prime factor of both. Then LCM of 36 and 60 equal to, first of all, common ones 2 into 3 and extra ones 3 into 5 by multiplying 5 3s are 15, 15 3s are 45, 45 2s are 90, 90 2s are 180. This is the LCM of 36 and 60 by prime factorization. Now pause the video and write down the notes by understanding. Now we are moving to another example. Find LCM of 10 and 30 by prime factorization method. First of all, write down prime factors of 10. What are they? 2 into 5. And prime factors of 30. What are they? 2 into 5 into 3. Now LCM of 10 and 30 means we have to identify common numbers. Here 2 is the common, 5 and is the common. And also we have to identify the what is extra if is there. Extra ఏదైనా ఉంటే దాన్ని కూడా కనుక్కోవాలి. Now LCM of 10 and 30 అంటే ఏమవుతుంది? The product of common factors. Okay, what are the common? 2 into 3, 2 and 5, sorry. And extra factors 3. So by multiplying those numbers, LCM of 10 and 30 equal to 2 into 5 into 3 equal to 30. Pause the video, write the question and answer. Now practice. Find LCM of the following by prime factorization method. Along with try the exercise 3.5 first question. In this question we have 6 sub questions. Later second question, find the LCM of following numbers by division methods. We will learn in the next class. Be safe, don't go away outside of the house. Take care about yourself. Thank you very much.